Ever seen this elegant name on a French label or a character list and had no clue how to say it? While it looks quite complex, standard American English simplifies it into two smooth syllables: Jacinthe.
Followed by brother Jacinthe.
Jacinthe Beauty here from Jacinthe.
End of Jacinthe.
Jacinthe.
Let's link the most common approachable sounds directly to three quick building blocks. Jacinthe. First syllable: a large glass pitcher or a jug. Second syllable: a small mistake or a moral sin ending with a soft breathing th sound. Synth. Snap them together fast. Jacinthe. Say it with me. Jacinthe. 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 Jacinthe is a beautiful French name that directly translates to the hyacinth flower, known for its vibrant purple petals and sweet fragrance. The name ultimately traces back to Greek mythology and ancient floral legends. In modern pop culture, gamers will instantly recognize it as the name of the majestic royal capital city in the hit franchise Gears of War. Like, comment, and subscribe.